Yeti's new fridge is a game changer. It can run on home outlets, car sockets, or solar panels, and even makes ice with just water. The 3-in-1 multi-cooler works as a fridge, freezer, and ice maker, holds 40 liters, and keeps food cool for days off-grid. NIO's new ET9 electric car promises another level of riding with 707 horsepower and a 120 kilowatt-hour battery. Its clever suspension lets it shake off snow and move diagonally, while ultra-fast charging adds 255 kilometers in 5 minutes. Professional TV cameras cost over $30,000, and this mounting system, priced above $1,000, works perfectly. The Hydra holds up to 100 kilograms, is remote controlled, and keeps shots steady with shock absorbers and a damping pole. Why do we have to charge our car in charging stations when we can rely on solar power? Install EV solar kits on your electric car to add over 19 kilometers of range daily. It only takes 20 minutes to install. Just follow the video tutorial provided by the company. Canada is getting its usual heavy snowfall, and 2026 is no different. A recent storm doubled snowdrifts in the east, closing schools and snarling roads. Try NordTrax, easy to fit on most vehicles. They give your ride extra traction, letting you move in deep snow areas. Topper Tent, a hardtop canopy by an American company, makes truck bed camping cozy. Setup is fast, with just Velcro, hooks, and straps. Anyone can grab a box of nails and gloves from a hardware store and break a car window in seconds. A video even shows how fast it happens. But with smash and grab film, the glass holds strong, even against heavy blows. The maker calls this suspension legendary, and for good reason. For over a decade, Cruisemaster XT has delivered comfort on highways and rough terrain. The new XT Freestyle lets you customize your trailer like never before. Digital license plates are here. No more waiting in lines. Register and display your plate info on a screen. Only authorized agencies can update it, and it deactivates if removed. The ultimate outdoor cart declares the company. Perfect for gardening, hunting, or beach trips, it carries up to 500 pounds. It has 19-inch wheels and durable steel construction, attaches to any standard 2-inch hitch.